friends, I hope you all well. Today I will try to explain you the difference between round down, round and round up functions. Here I have small example, small table, which is a column A is bank account, column B is amount in euros. I need amount, second one is amount in dollars, so I need amount in euros, this column C. So let's write let's convert dollar to the euro. So it's dollar multiplied by the rate, that will gives us the euro. So we have a problem here. After the point I have so many digits, so let's round up a little bit. I need basically after the point 2 digits, so let's apply the tree function, round function. So I will explain the difference. First, round down function. So we have two arguments, select the number and the number of digits here. After the point, how many digits we do need? We need 2 digits. Let's say we have 2 digits. Let's say it. Wrote formula, round function, round, as the works as same, arguments are same. We need 2 digits after the point. And round up function, also arguments are same, select the number and after the point how many digits you need, 2 digits we need. So I wrote the 3 functions, so I will try to explain the difference. Round down, how it works. Round down, after the 2 digits it will just we need 2 digits, so it will take exactly as it is 2 digits and makes 0. Whatever remaining digits, it makes 0. Round up function will work like round down, but it will add one more to the last digit. Let's say after the point here was 99.5 after point, here is 9.6, here was 0.3, it becomes 0.4. Here was it after the point it was 6.8, it becomes 6.9. So last digit it adds one more. Round function works little bit different than round down and round up. It's somewhere in the middle. So how it works, after the point we need 2 digits, but the second digit depends on the third digit after the point. Let's say it will take first digit as it is. This was 9, so it takes 9 as it is, and the second digit depends on the third digit. Second digit is 5, third digit is 6. 6 is near to 10, then 0, it's more than 5, so it will increase the second digit one more, so it become 0.96. In this case it takes first digit after point as it is, second digit will depends on the third digit. Third digit here is 1, so it is 1 is near to 0, then 10. So it works like if third digit is between 0 and 5, it will take second digit as it is. If it is third digit more than 5 and between 5 and 10, it will add more. So here is third digit is 7, between 5 and 10, so it adds more. Here it is a 1/3 digit, so that means between 0 and 5, so it takes second digit as it is. In this case 0 is between 0 and 5, so it takes as it is. In this case also as it is, in this case it talks as it is. So in this case third digit is 6, 6 is between 5 and 10, so it increases one more, and 2 it become after point 2 6. In this case it is 8, third digit is 8, after the point 8 means between 5 and 10, so that means second second digit will increase one more, so that's increased one more. Here third digit is 6. 6 is between 5 and 10, so it will increase the second digit one more. So that's a round function. Basically we in practice we use round down, round, and round up. Round down basically we use if you're counting the manpower, all that stuff. So whichever function you will need, so you can use suitable to you. That's the basic difference. Thank you for watching. Just thank you. See you in next time.